What's up, guys? California Coasters here, and today I'm going to be doing a construction update for Tidal Twister. It is February 2019 right now, and I've heard that it's made some great progress since my last construction update back in November. So I'm excited to see what progress they've made and how it's changed. Tidal Twister, Skyline Skyward. Says summer 2019.
It's coming in spring.
It's going to be in spring though, because it's ahead of schedule as of now. So that's good. We still have the same construction wall as of November. Same sort of thing. Looking good. I can see construction workers right over there. Yeah. I know where to get the best shot.
Yeah. This is where it's at right here. There's a fucking...
Yeah, I know. There's construction workers over here. See if there's anything happening right. Ooh, nope, just another construction wall. And same goes here. Yeah, I know. There's construction workers. So there are construction workers over here actually working on it right now. And they've worked on some of the landscaping, as you can see from this picture over here. It's gonna have some nice landscaping around the ride. Okay?
No, don't do it. She said,
I'm not turning the door.
we're taking footage!
Okay guys, that's going to do it for my Tidal Twister construction update. It's a little bit of a shorter one, but got some nice shots of it, and they're definitely making some great progress. So much better than in November, when they basically just put up the construction wall, cleared the area, just leveled all the stuff around there, and that's all they've done. Now they actually have construction workers active right now working on it. They have a lot of the landscaping done, and I assume they're going to actually start building the coaster pretty soon. It said over there summer 2019, but they changed it to spring 2019. They're ahead of schedule in making it, because it shouldn't take too long to build. It's just the landscaping that that's taking most of the time. And so hopefully it'll be open soon, in just a few months, and I'll do another construction update soon. I have season passes to SeaWorld, so I'll be here a lot more and very soon. So stay tuned for the next construction update of Tidal Twister and more construction updates on the California Coasters YouTube channel. And that's going to be it for this video. California Coasters signing off. And an updated date, opening spring 2019, because it's ahead of schedule, not summer 2019. Pretty cool. This will be opening pretty soon. Excited to get to opening day of this.